Anything you want in this life you can get. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for being here. Thank you for 1000 subscribers. Today we are going to do a lash install process. I'm going to show you a tutorial for your lashes. You can easily do this tutorial at home. First and foremost, we start off with our lashes. Next, you need your tweezers. This is what it looks like, a tweezer for holding your lashes and for easy placement. Next, you need your scissors. You see, you need your scissors to cut your lashes, and then you need a lash glue. Lastly, you need a lash glue. This is what I'm using. It's the lash adhesive W7. I think it's 850 or 650 thereabouts. Last but not least, you need a mascara. I'm also using this W7 lash static mascara. This is the mirror I'm going to use. It's from my illegal powder, so that when you are putting on your lashes, you have to look down. So you place your mirror at a lower angle, and then you like that for easy placement. Some people like to lift their eyes like this, but we are going to cut our lashes. That is our lash. We're going to cut our lashes into 3 or 4 parts. These are, I don't want these lashes again, so I'm just reusing. So I cut, that's the first. I don't know if you can see. Cut there. You see? Cut into tiny bits like that. Another one, they must be almost an equal size. I'm trying to focus like that. And this one is big as well. You cut it into 2. That's it. Also, make sure you check your lashes, because there's some part, it starts with a smaller part. You see, there's the lashes over here are small, and then it grows. So make sure the small part is what you put over here. Okay, we cut this other one into 4 parts. That's it. You see? Exactly. Take your mascara and comb your natural lashes upwards, just like this. Hope my phone is focusing. I'm going to do a morning skincare routine. Guys, can you see my face? Can you see that glow? All thanks to Korean K-beauty products. Okay. Take a piece of your eyelash like this. This is the piece. Normally for strip lashes is the full lash. For the strip lashes, we put our glue this part. You see the way the lash is, we put the glue on the lower part of the lash so that we place it above your lashes. But for these ones, we are going to place them below your lashes. You see, like that, below there. We are going to place them there. So that's why we put glue on the opposite side. Got it? Okay. Glue W7. It's a nice glue, but I like Duo better, much better. So we are going to put our glue, let it dry for a bit. Guys, it's so hard to film yourself. The camera is losing focus. That's a bit too much, but it's okay. You let the glue dry a bit. The same for the lashes. Don't put your lashes before your glue dries. Let it dry. Not dry, let it get tacky. You know it's dry, but it's not dry. That's tacky. I find it hard to use a tweezer, so sometimes I use my hands, but you can use a tweezer as well. Let me try a tweezer today. So you start with the lash that you put glue first. You hold it with your tweezer, and then you place it on your, hold it like that, and then you place it I'm going to put my mirror below me like that, look down, lift my eyes a bit, and then place my eyelash. Wait. Guys, do you see that? That's our first lash. Guys, sometimes the lashes can cooperate, sometimes they cannot. They won't cooperate, so don't give up. Practice until you get it. Anything you want in this life you can get. Okay? This is the second time I'm putting on these lashes, and I'm so proud of myself. I was taught by my friend Delight. I love you. Thank you. Can easily do my lashes at home. Another thing, as you're putting these lashes, when you put the glue to the pieces, they can dry up before you put. So either you be fast or put the glue on one lash at a time. That's the hack. What do you think? Should I add a... I think that's okay. Let me put a small part. You cannot feel the lashes, like, that's what I love about these lash extensions. I cannot feel them. I feel normal. They're not irritating to the eye. Guys, I'm alone. I like shooting while I'm alone. So I come early to work and shoot. Guys, that's it. We are done with our lash extensions. I think I like the, I don't know, it's the C type or what. What type is this? I like the other ones better, but we work with what we have for today. That's it, guys. I'm waiting for them to dry a bit so that I can press against my own lashes. For it to dry and then you press. Guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for subscribing, for liking, sharing and commenting. If you want a skincare routine, drop a comment below. Tell me what I should. Give me more content ideas. Thank you so much. I appreciate you all, and thank you for 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. I love you guys. I love you. You are the best community. Bye.